So check out the new range of BLA Dual Extreme Mounts. This is the new range. We've had the single mounts out now for a few years and they're going really well. And now we've got the new dual mounts. This configuration I think is going to be one of the most popular. We've got a single unit mount on one side and a pole mount on the other side. So we've got the round base that will take the D-size ball for all your transducer pole needs. Adjustable arms, so it comes with dual 8-inch arms and they're both adjustable. We can adjust the screen direction, we can adjust the direction here, and we can also change the angles of each arm independently. I'm going to show you some of the other range in the new dual mount, so let's go check those out. So the rest of the dual mount range consists of dual sonar mounts. This is a side-by-side configuration where we have the two 6-inch arms. Again, we can adjust where we want those screens. So if you want them sort of facing into, if you're going for a console installation, you might want to slightly skew them in towards you. You can adjust the angles of these and we can also take it off very easily. It's all billet alloy, nice knurled hand grip, and we can just be left with that base when you want to take the whole system off. One of the other mounts we're going to be offering is a dual front to back mount. So most commonly used on the bow of the boats. So if you want one screen at the back, the other one forward, again, you've got full adjustability, both in direction, angle of how you want these angled. Again, all billet alloy, super strong. We've got a full range of accessories. So if you want different arm lengths, we can offer up to 12-inch arm lengths, which you can see there. And this one, which we showed you before on the boat, is the single sounder with transducer pole version. And for guys that have a horizontal mounting application, we have the horizontal mount accessory as well. This is the exact same hole pattern as the Ram horizontal swing arm. So if you wanted to change over to this system, you can do that quite easily with this horizontal adaptation plate.